We are heading to Eastern Cape because I think our footprint is now growing to areas that we have also aspired all along to reach to. One of the most important aspects is that as long as we share information in platforms that matters, it is easy to spread the message, and it is easy for that message to be accepted and be valued. So in Eastern Cape, they've realized that the message and the knowledge that the Franchising Association has been spreading is important, is valuable, and they also want to use it to stimulate their economic activity. So they have identified automotive as a sector, as you know, in terms of their location, that they are more focused in the automotive sector. So now they want to strengthen their economic activity in that respect. So they have called upon the association to say, we want to organize our business people, and we are of the view that with the expertise that the association has, you can come in and help us to rejuvenate and rebuild our economy around automotive. So then what we have done, we have engaged with them, we have agreed on a program, and they have said, we are happy with the program. Come on the 3rd and the 4th of October to present and provide more information to our entrepreneurs. And we are saying we are willing and we have packed our bags. We are ready. We are going to Eastern Cape. We also call upon those who are engineering, those who are in automotive, to pack their bags as well, fly and join us in Eastern Cape so that they engage. That is a platform where entrepreneurs engage and get more information on how best to franchise your business and grow your business and grow your brand. That's the opportunity. That is the forum that we need to be there and talk automotive.